Super Bowl 2026. Right now, people are searching right now for the start time, for kickoff, for what is happening at this moment. If you are watching this video now, you are not alone. Millions are searching right now for Super Bowl 2026. The atmosphere is tense. Fans have arrived, the stadium is ready, and the countdown has started. This is not just a football game. This is the biggest sporting event in the world. A game, a halftime show, commercials, people will talk about all year. Everything is moving toward one moment, the opening kickoff. As kickoff gets closer, search interest keeps rising. People are asking the same questions. What time does the game start? What is about to happen? Who will create the first big moment? Whether you are here minutes before kickoff or checking what is happening right now, the world is focused on one place. Super Bowl 2026.